Alright, so here's how you remove the speakers on a Porsche Boxster 986. Now, I just did the left speaker and replaced it with a new one, so I thought I'd show you guys on the right speaker on how to remove them. So the tools you're going to need is you're going to need a T20 Torx bit, and you're going to need a 1/4 inch wrench. So pretty much, it's pretty straightforward. There's just these two screws right here, and then a clip that holds it in place. And what you do is you pretty much take the screws out. Sometimes you can do them by hand if they're loose like mine. And then you want to make sure to be able to wash your windshield so you don't scratch your windshield, or if you have tint, you don't want to, ding your tint. Basically, take them off like that. Come back to the far one. This one's a little harder to get to, so if you can't get, a good grip on it, you can take a 1/4 inch wrench, grab the little bit, and just loosen it a little bit. And then there, I can broke it free, so now I got my hand to be able to use it. I know it's hard to see, guys, but it's pretty straightforward. So once it's up that far, I can just grab the screw by hand, pull it out, be very gentle, grab the speaker with your fingernails, be careful not to hurt your dash, pull the outer side up, and then move outward, and then it'll unclip. This clip right here is the one that I'm talking about. And then what you want to do is be careful with your speaker, take it out, and there's a little prong clip right here. Move the camera a little closer. Right there, and what you do is you push down right there and just pull the clip out, and my left one was stuck, so you have to be very careful and kind of wiggle it back and forth to get it out. Now let me set the camera back up, grab this with both my hands, grab the clip, there we go. Okay, make sure this doesn't fall back down in the dash. Get it to stay right there. Alright, now that's the removal. Alright, so now I got my brand new speakers. These are a true Porsche product. I didn't want to mess around with any aftermarket ones, so I ordered these from Pelican Parts. And pretty much the same process as taking it out. They're really easy. You just kind of reverse it. You want to plug it in right here. Be very careful with the plug. Just like that, it's plugged in. Then what you want to do is to put it back in, you want to have the little clip basically go first, and then you're going to push it a little forward till it meets the dash right there, and then you're going to set the speaker back in place, and then you're going to put the screws right back in exactly how you took them out. Sometimes you gotta grab the speaker a little bit and kind of twist it around for the screws to find their homes. And then most of the time you can put them in by hand. See, this one's fighting me a little bit. There it goes, now it found its home. Okay, once they're snugged up, you want to take the wrench with your bit and just tighten it a little bit, like a 1/4 turn, 1/2 turn. You don't want to go any tighter because you will strip it. You have to be careful. Remember, this is speakers on a dash. This isn't anything, that's moving a lot. It's on the dash. It's not a suspension part. It's on the dash. Be careful. Don't over tighten them. So then you take it here. I know it's hard to see, guys. Sorry, it's kind of a hard spot to record, but we're getting it done. And then you tighten that one again. Little 1/4 turn more on that one. And we're done. And look at that. New speakers in. Perfect. So that's how you replace the speakers on a Porsche Boxster 986. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe.